Bright and spacious, this magnificent Spanish-style home is located in the coveted Beverly Grove area. This house boasts hardwood flooring throughout, fireplaces, an updated kitchen, a front patio, breakfast nook, central air heating, a guest unit or office, a basement and a large terrace. Located near Trader Joe's, Cedars-Sinai Hospital and Beverly Center Mall, bars, boutiques, coffee shops and restaurants are also nearby. Only minutes away from the Grove Mall to Beverly Hills, with easy access to the freeway. William Sequeira, KW Hollywood Hills.